Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to buy crypto in Nigeria with your Trust wallet. Make sure to watch the video until the end not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. Once you make sure that you are inside the application and you have signed up and verified all your information with your Face ID and also your credit card, all you have to do is open the app and then simply go to Fund. Now from here, once you go to Fund, click on Buy Crypto using card, bank transfer or provider. Now from here it's going to show you multiple options for either the currency or the type of coin that you would like to buy. So for example, if we choose Bitcoin and we want to buy it in USD, so we're going to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. Now once you do that and that is done, all you have to do is simply click on the card and it's going to show you multiple options, but for Nigeria the most optimal and the most wild option is going to be MoonPay. So stick to that. Once you click on it, click on continue, and then from here it's going to show you to the main screen where it's going to ask you for your email address and you're going to enter it, either that or your phone number. And from here, as you can see, sometimes it has an issue with verification, so all you have to do is click on try again. And so from here it's going to ask you to re-upload your image and the front side and the back side of your ID. Once that is done and it's going to continue and it's going to verify your address, all you have to do is enter your credit card details and click on purchase and it will arrive to your account in seconds. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.